Hey, are you looking to buy a house? Well, download my home buyer guide using the link in the description. I'll show you from start to finish what it's like to purchase a home here in the Atlanta market. I'll make sure that you're comfortable and confident throughout the entire process. So to hire me as your realtor, click the link in the bio and book your discovery call today. Hey, if you like this home tour and would like a video just like this one, shoot me a text. I'll show you how we get more money and sell homes in a shorter amount of time than anyone else in our market. And it all boils down to our marketing and videography. I would love to interview for the position and showcase your home just like this one. Now, back to the video. If you're watching this and thinking about new construction, make sure you have representation before you go to the model home. Once you register yourself, you usually can't add an agent later. So if you want someone to help you compare builders, incentives, and protect your interests, don't hesitate to reach out to me. My information is on the screen and in my bio.